doing my makeup using Thrive Causemetics. What's this brand about anyway? Hello beautiful people, my name is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, today I'm doing my makeup using a brand that I've heard a lot about and just getting around to trying. I did try the mascara first. I've been using that for about a month and really like it. So I went ahead and ordered 2 of these Brilliant Eye Brightener sticks, the 360 waterproof primer, and 2 newer products, Defying Gravity Eye Lifting Cream. They let you order a little sample size of this, and the Buildable Blur Creaseless Concealer. What do I think? I'll let you know. First, this is a sample size of a brand new product called Defying Gravity Eye Lifting Cream. If you're not familiar with Thrive Causemetics, the last part of the name is spelled Causemetics. And part of that is, part of their whole vibe is that they are for a cause. Basically, they donate a percentage of everything sold to various charities. And full list of the charities are on the website thrivecausemetics.com, and it includes frontline COVID workers, women's cancer, domestic violence victims, a whole lot of good causes that they contribute to. So they want to be seen as a philanthropy brand as well as a cosmetic brand. So anyway, this is the Defying Gravity, and I'm putting this on right now, and I'm gonna let it dry for a minute. Okay, I'm giving that a little time to dry. So now I'm trying Eye Lift 360 waterproof primer. And this comes in a little tube with sort of a wand. I'll put some on the wand, and then I'm just gonna tap down here, and also along my eyelids. And then I'm going to just sort of gently massage this in with my fingers and let that dry for a minute. Next up, the concealer. So and I'm also going to do a little bit of this, just sort of on the eyelids, and taking my blender and just sort of blending it in. It's a very nice creamy concealer. It goes on pretty smoothly. They did a good job of color matching using sort of a quiz from the website. The color I used in this was light. Now these next 2 products are the products that probably Thrive is most known for, and that is the Brilliant Eye Brighteners and the mascara. So I'm going to start by taking this pink color and just going to go from the center of my eye along the crease and pretty much sort of draw on my eyelid. This has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's basically just a slight pinkish flesh tone. So it's a really good, solid nude if you just want a little bit of a glow. The second color, this one called Anise. This is sort of a pretty bronzy color and makes a good color for like adding depth. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing this along the crease and then highlighting a little bit in the outer edge with this darker color. All right, now I'm going to use my blender again to sort of blend it together, smooth it out a little bit. So as you can see, this is just sort of a nice shimmery nude eye using blending together these two colors. And they're great sticks if you want something to travel with, something to just touch up your eye when you're not really going for a big colorful eye, but just something nice and soft and just giving it a little bit of shine. Okay, the final step is going to be the mascara. And I think when I did my mascara test, this was already on my top 5 mascaras because I've used this for a while. And I do really like this. It's more of a lengthening mascara. And it's just a simple, straight wand. And I start by just applying it to the upper lash line. Again, I'll put it on my upper lash line. And then just do a little bit of a horizontal sweep. Don't want it on my hair. To get it on the ends. And then the lower lash line, I tend to do just more the horizontal application. Notice the lengthening effect. And something else about this mascara, it comes off really easily. Warm water, a little bit of makeup remover, and it just rinses off. There's no raccoon eye. It stays on during the day. I've never had problems even going out in the rain of it running down my cheeks or anything. Let me take my lash curler. Okay, there we have it. This is my eye look for today using Thrive Causemetics. These all can be found at Thrive, Thrive, Causemetics, Causemetics.com. I'm going to put a link below. Well, this is actually about the 3rd day that I've used all Thrive Causemetics for my eyes. And so far, I really like them. Now, a lot of times I do like using powder shadows and coming up with colorful looks. And this doesn't really do that, but it's a nice shimmer. The products, I feel like they're good for your eyes. I like these eye brighteners. This concealer, it's very nice. It's probably among my top 5. It's called the Buildable Blur Creaseless Concealer. I do like that. This new product, Defying Gravity, I haven't quite decided whether I'm going to order the full size one or not. I do feel like it's a really nice eye cream. It spreads well. It makes the skin feel firmer. One of the ads said it was something about better than Botox. I question that a little bit. It's not the same. It's like comparing apples to oranges. Botox is mainly for the forehead or for the crow's feet. You cannot use Botox under your eyes. This, I would say, probably under the eyes and right around the brow line is the best place to use this. But overall, I do like it, and I've loved the mascara for a while. And this primer, it's a very good, probably one of the better eye primers that I've tried. So overall, I've got to give Thrive Causemetics a thumbs up. Also, I like what they're about, the philanthropy, the giving back. That's an organization that I like to support. Well, is there a brand or a product that you'd like for me to try and do a review on? I'd love to hear from you. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.